Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram broadcast channel not working. So as you can see in my account, we can see here the channels. Okay. So in order to have that, if you don't have that in your account, you'll then just have to click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. And then click on Settings and Privacy. Okay, so now scroll down until you see the account type and tools. So just click on it and then click on Switch to Professional Account and then just click on the Continue. Okay, and then click on Digital Creator and then click on Done. Okay, and then click on Next. And then click on Not Now. Okay, so when you go back to your inbox, I am sure that should be able to see your broadcast channel. Okay, so if that does not, solve your problem, you can try this other method. So just click on your profile picture again at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen, and then click on Settings and Privacy. Okay, and then scroll down until you see the Help option. So just click on it and then click on Report a Problem. And then choose the Report Problem Without Shaking. And then click on Don't Include and Continue. And then just type out, Please help me. Okay, my broadcast channel is missing. Please fix it. Thank you. So we just click on send. So you will then just have to wait for a few hours or a day before they will, give you feedback. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.